this is Espert, and we're back here on Slime Rancher. Hello one, hello one. Right, this is where we left off. There's evilness here. They keep, like, spawning out, trying to kill me. Okay, I think we need to get our stuff back. Clear out, make sure... Okay, find our way home. Oh no. It's still playing, so I wonder where the... Okay, it's gonna go away. Let's see here. Ow. Be nice. Okay. What we got going on here? Was it him? No? But no! I don't want you. I'm just trying to fill up water. Any more? You guys really... You! Did you not learn your lesson from the guy previously? Oh good? I think we're good here. Now this side's another matter. I'm sure there's someone gonna be over here. All acting all crazy. Alright. Back. Any more? You fit? Nope, you're a different type. Sorry. Different type. Our little rainbow spots. We need to keep an eye out also for any more location. Like, what the heck? Any more like flower bud locations. Be nice to me. I wonder how many there are. Will it, I don't know. Will it tell me if I've gotten them all? We can see if there's any painted chicks. What? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. The heck's calm. I better dump these off. Hello, so many chickens everywhere. Been first 10 minutes just running back. Can't sick the chicken here, unfortunately. Meow. Thank you. Glass shard. Slime puzzle. Okay. So many slimes everywhere. We haven't seen a fire time in a while, have we? Whoa! How many glass shards you giving me? Okay, we'll have to... I wonder... I just feel like we've seen so much of the Painted Desert. I wonder what we've not really taken care of yet. I wish it marked on the map, like, green areas, showing when we took care of a spot. But I wish. Okay. Means we need to get more drills. Lots more drills. We need to set up the drills. Did the fire jelly, right? Or was that the apiary? That's the apiaries, isn't it? I feel like that and the sand are the ones we have a little bit harder time getting. I set up my other... Let's just set these up. Okay. Sounds good. Alright, let's check the machines over here. Oh gosh. Really, guys? Chill it for one night. It gets so bad. The more oasis you add. You thought the Painted Desert was bad before with all the fire. You didn't see it before. Okay. There's one of my machines. There's the fire jelly I want. Hi. Where's the other one? It was over here. Did we use it up already? I guess we did. Wonder if we've been there. Random little block out there. Oh. Probably something. Well, we're gonna... Which way am I going? Where am I going? I need this way. Okay, let's dump these off. Make sure everything's looking okay. Or we can just go home. And avoid fuego time. Yeah, run! Okay. Run, 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 run. I'm done with fire. Okay. Avoid fuego time. Make a day. Leave. Ah, it was almost morning already. Okay. Alright, let's take care of everyone real fast. And I'm kind of curious what that little square thing off to the side was. Here's a check. New baby. We probably have the stuff to make an advanced Gordo. Crap. Nope, not water. Okay, let's see. A hunter plort, silky sand. I think that's from the pumps, right? The drill was giving us the shards. Drill was giving us shards. Apiary gave it that. So I think we need to put out some pumps. That's what we really need to do. We should need pink plorts. Pinks and hunter. Okay. Pink and hunter. Pink and hunter. Got a few hunters here. You guys are starved. I need to get some of the hens over here. What are you guys doing in here? Are we alive? Okay. All right. Here's the hunter we need. Okay. Get some pinks. We always go through so much pinks. Eat your fill. This is gonna be for the honey badge. I've done awful about keeping them fed. Here you go. Small supply. Okay. Don't stare at me like that. These. You guys will never be full just because there's too many of you. There you go. See, I got one staring grumpily at me right now. Look at him. He's that one too. Those are all cranky. All 39. That's a pretty good stack there. Let's see here. You guys a little happier in here? Looks like it. Yep. Some of yours. Wish these would like stack up to 100 so I could just take the whole set. Okay, we behaving in here? You're doing alright at the moment. How about in here? Doing good. Are you guys wasting some food? All good? Okay. He's up here. We'll just sell the 2 sets. The pinks and the porcelain. So many lemons out that you guys aren't eating. I'm gonna waste them. Glad we don't have to run back and forth to sell things now. Okay. All right. So we can get. We want pumps. 2 pumps. Sounds good. Dun 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 dun. Make sure the bottom set is cleared out before we leave as well. You're full on carrots. We see who the favorite is of the bee. What are you doing? What do you got? You got carrots too. Wait, no, you got silver parsnips, don't you? That would explain more. So are you guys getting the onions over there? Guess I shouldn't worry. If I gave the parsnips to the Mozak, we'd be overflowing in stuff that way. We'll just sell it down here with this set. Okay. Oh yeah, we need to take chickens back for our hunters too. Okay. Let's see. Cats, are you rolling in the chickens still? Your selection of ports. I need those for the science station machine. Okay. Any loose chickens around? I don't want to take all from my stash. You guys look starved over here a little bit. Are you guys feeding them? Okay, I'll get more. Oh my goodness. You're happy. I hear singing. Oh, it's this. It's a little radio. I'm not used to buying the radio, honestly. Okay. I'm gonna steal some of these chickens. They're gonna eat those. Just watch. Yep, there they go. Kind of want to teleport her from this end to the other end, so I don't have to walk it. That's not crazy. I feel like I'd cut some time down. Ah! Oh my goodness, your onion collection. Of course you guys are smiling. You guys are both just like ignoring everyone. Hello. I see your smile. I'll give you a quick hug as I run by. Hug. I like your glowing eyes. Wish I could see them better. Alright. Nah, chicken. Hi there. Hug. You're adorable. I meant to sell those rock plorts. Oh well. Are we good? Okay, yes, we'll sell them up here so we take some pinks with us. Zip, zip, zip. Where's zippies? I don't ever pay attention really to the price on these things. I'll get more of everything. Too worried. Okay. We're gonna take all these this way. For a happy lot. Chickens! Oh, here they come. They're like feasting! A little phasing. Are we being good over there? Everyone's happy. Everyone's hungry. Everyone looks happy. Got 6. I can't remember if that's what I started out with. I think it was an even number. Everyone's looking pretty happy. I am happy that those tabbies are actually happy with me. I've never had the tabbies actually set up to where they were just happy. Typically they were cranky at me. For higher, I almost feel like I need something like that just to have a turret to help me out there. Almost there. Almost. Drones. Teleporter. Teleport. I can do a pink one. Right now that's the warp depot. Actual teleporters. I've got green. I need indigonium. We've gotten some indigonium. I think that's from... Is that from the pump as well? I can't remember where we've gotten that. Or is that the apiary? We've gotten them every once in a while. We'll just keep an eye out. Once we get enough, maybe we'll make one. We'll make one from one end of the place to the other. So we don't have to run. Alright, we good in here? Yep. I'm gonna set up my pumps over here. Pump. Pump. Perfect. Okay, you guys. Please give me something good. There's that silky sand I wanted. I am gonna be I won't be able to get all you, so I better just come back. Guys behaving? Wow. You like... Where'd the gold one go? Gold. He was here. He was here. He was here. Where is he? I got something to throw at him. He was there! Our gold one ran away. Oh well. No more bad? You guys need to behave? I still feel like I hear twinkling from him. It's not like stuck in the wall or something. Okay. I guess we are... Missed that gold. Feel like I hear probably the little gold things. You guys. Who made the choice? Where? I think this water protects them. I think it helps attack them or something. Okay. I think I've got another apiary over here. Ooh, what? Where? There. Die already. Oh, fuego time. No. Why'd you go over there? Okay, fuego time. Let's run. I prefer not to chill out here. It honestly just feels like a little waste of time to do that. Sit there during fuego time. How come you guys are hungry? You've got how much food in your system there? Whoa. Did she, like, did our bee drone stop giving you food or something? Nope, you got lots of food. You should be fine here. Okay, Mosaics. Let's check you. You're full. We got lots of money. We need to check and see if we need to buy the next thing, actually. Don't we? Meow. Refresh. Sell things for. This is like a making money episode. I told you a long time ago we'd go search out that little square box thing on our map. I haven't done it yet. Okay. Purchase. Overgrowth upgrade. I want that. I want an upgrade for the overgrowth. Yes. We need monies. We got more colors, it says. Ginger Snap. Robo Ranger. Green. Green. Firecracker. No. I remember that. Why is this the sandy color make me think of Star Wars? Robo Ranger. Still makes me think of Star Wars. Go back to our cobalt we had. Is that what the color we had? Either way, I like it. I don't know if that's the color we had or not. Pretty sure that was. Okay. Cool. Okay. Let's let everything just like... I was gonna say do its thing, but we're kind of... Everything needs picked up, I guess. Let's get everything emptied and dropped off. And then we will go explore that spot. And you guys don't catch fire. Kind of wish I didn't put this on this side. I use the other side more. I don't think I can break it without it being lost. I just realized this is a slime face. Look at this thing. It's got like antenna ears. Just realized this thing. Okay. Got what? One apiary to get then? Lots of jelly cells. We saw a gold slime. Oh gosh, again. If it's not over this side, though, it's through there. Are you guys... Nope, it's not here. So they must be having like a little massacre happening over there. Okay, now we can go check out the massacre. Probably should get some water. Taking a bath or something? Alright, we're coming. Coming. What's happening over here? What's happening? I don't hear anything, so hopefully that means we're cleared out okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see here. We're gonna go, it's this thing right here. There. We're gonna have to go around. Probably. It's on the other side of that. We could work our way up, but might be faster, honestly, just to go this way. Okay, I don't want to get too far off the path. Okay. We have to come out here. We can't just like cut through there. That's all top bridge stuff. The brown, I'm guessing, is the floor. Then yellow is the neck ridge. Brown is the dark top bridge, I'm guessing. Hi! Don't hurt me. Wait, where all that? Good. Makes me wonder if there's like a pod or something back in here. No. We've not done our best like searching for pods, honestly. Fully in this area. How many pods do we have for this area? 11 out. We've found half of them. So there's still quite a bit to find of the pods. Anything interesting? No, not really. Okay. Alright. I feel like we go this bottom way a lot. I wonder what's above this is like again. I almost died. We wouldn't have lost anything, just had to make our way back. There we go. The other way. Maybe you're like so far out. Alright. Up at the top. Okay. We're all the way up here. Now we gotta wiggle our way back. Let's see how we get back over there. Okay. And this takes us actually kind of farther off. Okay. Like no charge. Gotta walk a moment. Walk. I'm gonna guess that would take us that way. I'm gonna go this way. See where this puts us on the map. Too far. Okay. Charge up for me. Probably up there that I'm thinking that I'm seeing here for like cliff wise. Up here? Oh, cranky ones. Okay. What if this is like stairs? That looks very promising. Okay. Here. This way. That's the door we've already unlocked, isn't it? Yeah. I think we're supposed to be... I see a plateau like up there. Okay, let's come over. Makes it look like there's something like off the edge of this thing. honestly. Which I honestly wouldn't be surprised. That? Oh gosh, what's up there? There's something up there, I'm sure. Okay, let's see here. How do we get up there is the question. Ah. Now I want up there. You guys, stop it. Behave yourselves. Like the slimes you are. Guys, you worry me. Where could I fly to? Could I fly to there? I guess that'd be the best chance to try. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it there, so I probably need to try here somewhere. Go. I've not noticed another like flower bud for us to water. I wonder if we got most everything. Can we start up there? Is that not? I know. Trying to decide how to go about this. We've been up there. How do I get back up there? Up the twinkly stuff was out of my way. I think we came through it out here, honestly. Come on, let me up. Okay. Because I remember us going up there. I wonder if we've actually hit a lot of the painted deserts overall. Okay. Probably should have thought this out better. Up! Such a roundabout way to get to where we're looking at. Enough fuego time. Great. That's not for hiding. Climbing. Up. I'm good for falling now. Okay. In the hidey hole. Hidey hole. There we go. Barely made it. Great. Day 80. We've been at this not even 3 months. Wait a minute. What are you guys doing out here? Fire just wiped them off the earth. What the? Don't come through the ceiling at me. The chickens are living. I guess we're in a covered area. In another covered area. Ow. Hello, fire slime. I think it's almost done. I'm kind of curious. Maybe not stand under the gap, but... Okay. So let's try this again. I know I've gotten up there. Let's go this way. Route. More promising, probably. We've come from here a lot. Still the things that we never grabbed and took back with us. Oh, stay. Can't remember. Did we make it all the way over there before? Yeah, okay. Well, that works. Okay, now. I went up there. Don't want to leave my hops here. Give me some. Should go to that one and then over. Actually, can I get up on this one? Please say yes. No, it's a no. I can't. Oh, don't give me. Oh, it's... guys. Well, that's a nice little way right there. Not where I'm thinking of where I want to go. Hey, forward progress is forward progress. Right? That's where our slime had been. How do I get to like that one? Can I get up to there? Please let me up. Please let me up. Okay. I can always fly back over there. Ah. I am trying to make myself to the top, and then I'll make myself over, I guess. Okay, that's not working. Can I fly up to that one? Get me a charge first. Get me to the top, please. Urgh. Dabba 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 da. Okay. I've been up there. I know I can do that. Can I make it to that one? Awesome. Probably I shouldn't overdo it. Okay, let's get up as high as we can on this side over here. Not that one. There we go. Get there. I've been at the top, haven't I? Well, not really the direction I've been. Way far away from where I originally meant to go. Why not up there? But I can let me up there. I'm getting farther down than I want to be. Can I get all the way across? If I go this way. This is where I started out that other time. I'm gonna try hopping to that area. Wondering what's at the top of that little shelf thing that we saw. You also think there would be a thing over there to water. Maybe not. I hear lots of tinkling. Aha. There's the thing. Almost makes me wonder if there's like a height cap on this thing. I don't see anything from here, so maybe it's just a... Or do I see a... No, that's a background thing. Ooh, look at that moon. That's beautiful. Okay. Well, I don't know. We could try to fly to the base. We got nothing on us, so we got, like, nothing to lose. Anything here? Oh. We very well may die trying to get back across. And here's Fuego time, of course. Right when we're gonna try to get back across, probably. Can I get to this underneath piece? If there's anything hidden? Either way, it'll keep us safe. I think we just hit a dead end all right here. I think we're gonna hear the massacre above us. Unless if those little areas protect them, I don't know yet. Yeah, I could just jump in the sand. Not like I have anything. I'm not sure how to get back up. Ah! We did find a pod. Master drill. A drill that unearths the most researchers. Oh, last 9 seconds. We're making that at some point. Okay, let's just jump in. I think. Trying to make sure there's nothing more underneath it. Since we've got a little... Okay, we're just gonna go down. There we go. Yes. Thank you. Take us back to home. How long did we sleep? We're stay 82 now. I don't know why I went in there. Oh well. Okay. Get some water. Master drill. Wonder what that takes. I bet it'll be awesome. There's one more pod. I wonder where another like 10 pods are hiding at though. That's a lot of pods to have hidden. Especially when we've... I guess there's that one other area we haven't looked at yet. I feel like we've really hit a lot of the Painted Desert pretty well. I could be wrong. There's probably a couple extra crevices that I'm not seen yet. Like, have we... We got all the pods here, but it's only 2 pods. It's not really counting much. Let's see. Ugh, walk! Little walker. You good over there? You guys look happy and fulfilled. Okay. What's that thing? Master drill. Never seen this. We can make one. Just our... Yeah, that doesn't take any things we need. We'll just get one for now. I feel like we need one out here. Should we get the Quantum out here? Get us a nice Quantum mascot going. Maybe. We can put him there. I don't want him too close. No, he'll be in the way if he's over there. How about over here? Stall. Oh, yeah, reason. Sorry, wrong button. Alright. Give me one of those face lemons. Dun, 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 dun. Bloop. Okay. We'll get a Quantum. I'm gonna go put that drill up. Sell some of these. Oh, you're hangry over there again at me? I fed you this episode. And we have food galore down here. That means someone's not working. I'm gonna still put this drill in the painted desert because we're still making snares. Making lots of snares. My big boy right here. We have a novice. That's a regular drill. I thought we made a big drill. Did we not make a big drill? Did I not click on the big drill? Did I do something silly? I did something silly, I think. I don't think I clicked on the right one to look at it. Or I tried it, it didn't take. That would... Okay. Well, that is nice of me. Let's go actually look at the master drill now. I just got its apprentice, not the master. Okay. Master drill. Didn't I make that? Master. Nope, I did not. This one take a moment. I got a lot of rad plorts in there since I got over 200. Okay. Let's actually go set it up now. And then we're ending this episode. This episode is going long, actually. Now I need to decide where I want to put this. There we go. Well, that tells me. Master. Big boy. Big boy, okay. Alright, let's go back. Well, I do feel like we got several things done. More home-wise. Okay, let's go check our quantum. Quantum! Dun, 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 dun. There he is. Look at him go. We're gonna call him Glitchy. Pretty sure. But don't keep me to that. I might call him something. I might be calling him Blinky next episode because I forgot it was Glitchy. But alright, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. I know I have. We're still keeping very busy. We still got a few things to do. Here soon, if we don't see anything more to do in the Painted Desert much, we'll go check out that new area probably. But if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all next week in another episode of Slime Rancher. Alright, everyone, bye!